Hey guys, it's Andrew Walker here from the SA Property Investors Network, and it's been a while since we've been down to Cape Town. I've just been to Durban. We do lots of property events here in Johannesburg, and I'm super excited because in October we will be coming down to Cape Town, and we will be hosting some free workshops on the 14th, 15th, and 16th of October at 6:30 in the evening. Now, who are these workshops for? If you are looking to start your property journey and you don't know where to start, this workshop's for you. At the same time, we'll be covering some strategies for people that already own properties, that you have equity, but you just don't know how to scale. How do you go to the next level? How do you unlock their finance? How do you find finance for your next property purchase? So it's everything to do about property investing in Cape Town. So join George King, a local property investor in Cape Town, as well as the SAPIN team at on the 14th, the 15th, or 16th of October. All the information is below, so click that link and we'll see you at the workshop.